Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Savvy Learner. I'm here to let you know how to do quick instant payment instead of having to wait for that ACH 1 to 3 business days, the dreaded wait. So if you need your money instantly, it's usually through your debit card. There's certain things you need to download. You gotta have the HELIUM Explorer. Make sure you have that. Assuming that you have a HELIUM miner or anything, a mining facility that mines HNT, or you have HNT that is transferred from another wallet. You could use any other wallet as long as it has HNT for it. So the next one, you're gonna need to download the crypto app wallet, and you also need the Google two-factor authentication app for the crypto wallet, because they're starting to do the two-factor authentication for security reasons. Now I want to let you know, crypto app wallet also has this rewards card that you could stake, the CRO staking. So if you want to convert your HNT or any other crypto to CRO, do so. You may have to wait for 1 year to get your card, and once you get your card in the mail, you're able to get some rewards. So you could download the description below. If you download the app, it'll let you know what to do. Once you download those three, you want to download the COINBASE app. So link your debit card to your COINBASE app, and that way it'd be instant. But let me tell you about COINBASE. COINBASE has a $3 fee for transfer, and then for instant payment through your debit card would be 55 cents. So I want to let you know, with any crypto, you want to sell when the market is high, and you want to buy when the market is low. So if you're patient enough to wait for that, that'll save you a lot of money with transfer fees. Okay, so I want to have to warn you, this is only for an emergency. If you really need the money deposit in your bank right away. So let's get on with it. Okay, open your app, and that's the crypto.com app. Once you open it, put in your password, hit transfer, hit deposit, hit crypto. Go ahead and put in, hit the magnifying glass, search HNT or any crypto you needed. You want to copy that. Okay, once you copy that, you want to go to HELIUM Explorer app, which put in your password, hit that 2 greater than less than symbol. You want to withdraw, send HNT. Put in your address, and put an amount like 7.2. That's like 208 or something like that. There's a conversion calculator online. You want to send to HNT. Once it's sent, you want to go check if it's sent. So there you go, I was close. 208.44. If you're not sure, just use a conversion calculator. After 11 minutes, and this is how much has been sent. It took 11 minutes to send that crypto. And we're sending this to okay, go to home. We're gonna go to transfer. Actually, I'm sorry, accounts. Let's click on accounts and just go ahead and check how much you have there. Look at the HELIUM or any crypto that you're using. Okay, so let's go to home. Let's go to trade. Now we're gonna hit sell, and basically we're gonna trade this to Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency you want. So let's just sell the HNT. And you want to hit Bitcoin, or actually hit that empty space there, and you want to max it out 7.2, or how much you want to put in. You want to sell it, and you're selling it and converting it to Bitcoin. Alright, there you go. So you converted 7.2 HNT to Bitcoin. Now we're going to go from crypto wallet to COINBASE wallet. So we're going to just grab the address code. We're just going to hit Bitcoins because it has to match what you already traded in. Otherwise, okay, you're going to go to BTC wallet. You want to go hit that little QR code on the top right. You want to copy that address. Now, don't close out of that. We're going to go to crypto wallet. Put your password, and you want to go hit transfer. You want to transfer that. Let's go withdraw crypto. Right there, go. And you want to withdraw to the external wallet. You want to add wallet address. It's a Bitcoin wallet address. Remember, it has to be consistent, otherwise your crypto will not go through. You'll lose some money. You want to go ahead and paste that. You want to put the wallet name Bitcoin transfer, or Bitcoin to Coinbase. You want to continue that. Put your password again, and then it's going to give you authentication to factors authentication. So you want to turn that on. Enter your password. Make sure you download this app too. Okay, it's the link is in the description below. So if you follow the directions, I'll let you know. So we're gonna go to our Google two-factor authentication app. There it is. You click on that. Now it will not show you on the screen for security reasons. So actually, I've memorized the code, so I put the code on the crypto app, and I continue. Once you do that, you want to check your crypto app, and look, it just went out. So let's transfer from Coinbase wallet to your bank by using your debit card. Let's hit Coinbase. I'm just gonna wait for it to come up, and you see the money transferred. Now let's look at the history to the top right. Account activity. There you go. Let's go back. Let's hit the button in the bottom right there. Click it, and you want to convert it. Now you got to convert the Bitcoin that you transferred from crypto wallet to USD coin. USD coin is pegged to the dollar, so you want to go ahead and search for USD. You want to max that out, or however amount you want to put in. You want to convert that. Hit convert now. And view account. Okay. Since after you converted it, now we're just gonna send it right straight to your bank. Gonna hit that 2 arrows. You want to sell it. Okay. You want to hit the USD coin. Make sure you have some money in there, otherwise it won't work. You go ahead and max that out and sell now. And once you sell it, it's gonna take you to the options. You want to see the detail. Actually, you want to withdraw the funds. And if it says 1 to 3 business days, you don't want to click on that. You want the debit card, which is instant, so it has a 55 cents fee. really good for emergency uses in case you really need the money, you know. You want to preview cash out. You want to cash out now. And voila, there you go. View account. Actually, go check your bank account. I will not show you mine yet, but it does process within 5 hours. If you have an issue with pending charges, it may take a little bit longer, or return checks or anything like that, that's going to take a little bit longer. So what you want to do is just wait, but it's going to be within 1 day, and it's all worth it. Also, you want to sell high when the market is high and buy low. Okay, so you notice in that video I lost a couple dollars, you know, like $10 worth. So I don't want that to happen to you. So make sure you wait for the market to drop to buy, and you wait for the market to, you know, to go high before you sell. All right, I see you next video. Thank you.